KTM 390 Duke range in India has been expanded with the introduction of a new 350cc variant, priced at 2.77 lakh rupees ex-showroom. With this launch, KTM has also renamed the existing 399cc version as the 390 Duke R, which continues on sale at a higher price point of 3.39 lakh rupees, creating a gap of around 62,000 rupees between the two. The new 350cc engine has been derived by reducing the stroke length to 56.15 millimeters from the 399cc model's 64 millimeters, while keeping the bore unchanged at 89 millimeters. This results in a slightly lower output of 41.5 PS at 8,600 RPM and 33.5 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 RPM. In comparison, the 399cc Duke R produces 46 PS and 39 Newton-meters, making it noticeably more powerful. Apart from the engine changes, the rest of the motorcycle remains identical to its larger sibling. The 350cc Duke rides on 17-inch wheels and is equipped with WP suspension at both ends. Braking duties are handled by a single disc at the front and rear, supported by switchable dual-channel ABS. In terms of features, the bike retains the same comprehensive electronics package. It comes with a Bluetooth-enabled TFT display, traction control, multiple ride modes, launch control, cornering ABS, and quick shifter. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 168.3 kilograms and a seat height of 800 millimeters, making it accessible to a wide range of riders while maintaining its sporty ergonomics. With this new 350cc variant, KTM has made the Duke platform more accessible without compromising on features or hardware, while the renamed 390 Duke R continues to cater to riders seeking higher performance.